just don't see these on the road. It's a beautiful 1959 Cadillac Coupe Deville, restored car, original Vegas blue. What a beautiful car, in and out. Look at the chrome. I mean, you know, that chrome is expensive. It's all done. Paint is beautiful. The body is unbelievable. Just a really, really, really beautiful, straight, and it runs and drives excellent. Original motor, all numbers matching. Just a beautiful, look at those fins. I mean, that is just artwork. Check us out, HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. I mean, just look at this car. Down the sides is straight, solid, no rust. Look at the interior. Beautiful. All done to original specs. Headline is like brand new. Just a beautiful little dash. Again, check us out, HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. Wow, what a gorgeous car.